Whether you're new to the job or have been in the industry for a while, there are basic mistakes that you should avoid as a customer service rep. In this video, we'll break down for you 5 mistakes that we see repeatedly and explain what you should do instead. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, taking things personally. It's tough, but try not to let customer negativity get to you. It's important to protect your mental health. We all know how it feels when a customer experience goes bad. Sometimes you just need to talk to someone and vent a little bit. Remember, complaints are about the brand, not you. Separating yourself from the issue helps you stay focused on solving the problem rather than feeling defensive. At the end of the day, our job in customer service is to help, not to shift blame. You can see yourself as the guide, not the villain they're battling. Also, stay calm and speak clearly. Acknowledge customer feelings by using empathetic phrases like, "Understand your frustration," or "I hear that this is upsetting for you." Avoid saying things like, "You're wrong," or "You misunderstood." Those can make the conversation feel more confrontational instead of constructive. Thanks for calling customer support. What's the issue?
Yeah, I'm really frustrated. I ordered a package 2 weeks ago and still hasn't arrived. I paid extra for fast shipping, and this is honestly ridiculous.
Well, that's not our fault. Once we ship it, it's on the carrier. Yikes. Right away, the agent shifts blame instead of helping. Let's see how this plays out.
So you're saying it's not your problem? I paid for fast shipping.
Like I said, we sent it out. You have to call the carrier. Ooh, that just made things worse. The customer is now angrier, and instead of solving the issue, the agent made them feel like they're being dismissed. Now, let's rewind and see a better way of handling this.
Yeah, I'm really frustrated. I ordered a package 2 weeks ago and it still hasn't arrived. I paid extra for fast shipping.
Oh, that's really frustrating. I totally get why you're upset. When you pay for fast shipping, you expect fast shipping. Let's check your order and see what's going on. Much better. The agent acknowledges the frustration and reassures the customer they're being heard. No blame, just to focus on finding a solution.
I mean, do you guys even care? I feel like no one is doing anything about this.
I hear you, and I feel the same way. Let's get this sorted out right now. I'll check the tracking details for you. All right, I see what's happened. It looks like there was a delay with the carrier, which is definitely not what we want. Here's what I can do. I can either refund you your shipping costs or upgrade you to priority shipping on your next order. Which would you prefer? Excellent move. The agent doesn't blame the carrier or make excuses. Instead, they take ownership and offer a clear solution.
A refund would be good, yeah. I just wish I would know sooner instead of waiting around.
That's completely understandable. I'll process that refund now, and I'll also send you a follow-up email with tracking updates just so you're not left in the dark. I really appreciate your patience on this. I know it's been frustrating. The agent stays calm, reassures the customer, and keeps things positive. By focusing on solutions rather than blame, they turn a bad situation into a good customer experience. See the difference? In the first example, the agent got defensive and shifted blame, which only made the customer angrier. In the second, the agent stayed calm, showed empathy, and focused on solutions. Mistake number 2, not actively listening. So here's the thing about active listening. It's not just about hearing words. It's about tuning into the whole customer, their tone, their feelings, even what they're not saying. You've got to be like a detective, picking up on all those little clues so you can actually help them out. And the more you do it, the better you get at it. Put it into practice. It means staying present. Don't think about your next response. Be here now with your customer. If your mind is somewhere else, you might miss something important. And you might ask a question about something they already told you. It's just going to make the whole conversation longer and more annoying for them. To stay active, use verbal cues like, "I see," "That makes sense," or just a little yes. It's like saying, "Hey, I'm here, I'm listening, I'm engaged." When it's your turn to talk, rephrase what you heard using their words. This way, you're showing them that you've really been paying attention and understand what they're trying to say. Let's look at a customer call to see what happens when active listening is missing and how much smoother things go when we do it right. Thanks for calling customer support. How can I help?
Yeah, I just got my internet bill and it's way higher than usual. I think it was overcharged.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, your bill is $120 this month.
Right, I just said that. But it's usually around $80. I don't know why it's so high.
Well, if that's what it says, that's what it is. Did you maybe use more data? The agent isn't really engaged, just repeating what's on the screen or guessing instead of addressing the customer's concerns.
I don't know. That's what I'm calling. Can you check?
You can log into your account and see your usage there.
Seriously, if I wanted to do that, I wouldn't have called.
Yikes. Because the agent wasn't actively listening, they missed the frustration in the customer's tone, repeated useless info, and didn't offer real help. Now, let's see what happens when the agent actively listens.
Yeah, I just got my internet bill and it's way higher than usual. I think I was overcharged.
Oh yeah, I hear you. You were not expecting that. Let me pull up your account and we'll find out why you see the big jump. Nice. The agent acknowledges the frustration right away and reassures the customers they're looking into it. All right, I see that your bill this month was $120 and your usual bill is $80. Actually, there was an extra charge for exceeding your data limit last month. Does this sound familiar to you? Notice how the agent repeats the key point, $120 versus $80. This is a form of active listening called paraphrasing. It confirms that the customer is heard and they're on the same page.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I didn't get any warning about going over my limit though.
I hear you, and that could be frustrating. You should have received an alert, so let's also check if those notifications are set up correctly on your account.
Yeah, I would appreciate that. And is there any way to avoid this in the future?
Absolutely. We have an unlimited data plan that might be a better fit for you. Or I can set up usage alerts to make sure you never go over again. Which would you prefer? Here, the agent is actively listening to the customer's needs for a solution. They offer two clear choices, which gives the customer a sense of control.
I think the alerts will help for now. Thanks for checking on that.
Of course, I've set those up for you, and I'll also email you a breakdown of this bill so you have it for future reference. Anything else I can help you with for today?
Nope, that's all. Thanks, Alex.
See the difference? In the first example, the agent really wasn't listening, which made the conversation longer and more frustrating. In the second, the agent stayed present. So, next time you're on a call, remember, listen first, respond second. That's how you turn a stressful call into a smooth, successful one. Mistake number 3, not asking questions. You can't truly help customers without understanding their needs. And one of the biggest no-nos is failing to ask the right questions. It might feel like a time saver, but in reality, it's going to lead to a hot mess of confusion and frustration for everyone. And you know, customers might not articulate their thoughts well, especially on a bad day. So it's your mission to guide them through it. Don't jump to conclusions. Instead, approach every conversation with a sense of curiosity. Make it a habit to ask probing questions, rephrase what you've heard, or allow silences so customers can elaborate. It's your way of saying, hey, I care, and I really want to get this right for you. Plus, asking questions is a great way to build a connection with the customer. Remember, it's all about getting the details so that you can fix things like a pro. Thanks for calling support. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm having trouble with my order.
Okay, what's wrong with it? Notice how the agent jumps straight into asking about the issue without getting any context. Let's see how this plays out.
I think I received the wrong item, but I'm not sure.
Well, can you tell me what you ordered? Oh man, the agent isn't guiding the customer and misses opportunities for clarification and connection.
It was a red backpack, but I got a blue one instead.
Okay, so you got the wrong color. Oops. The agent is only focusing on the color and missing out on crucial details about the order. Let's rewind and see how to effectively ask questions from the get-go.
Hi, I'm having trouble with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you give me a quick overview of what you ordered? Great start. The agent is already guiding the customer to provide context.
Sure, I ordered a red backpack last week, but I think I received the wrong one.
I see. Just to confirm, when did you place your order? Notice how the agent is actively seeking more details.
I ordered it on Monday, and it arrived yesterday, but it's blue.
Thanks for sharing that. Just to confirm, besides the color, is there anything else that seems off with your order? Excellent. The agent is digging deeper to fully understand the issue.
Nope, just the color. It's definitely not what I wanted.
I completely understand. Let's figure out this together. I can check what went wrong and set up a replacement for you. How does that sound? Yes. The agent not only clarified the situation, but also jumped right into a solution. See the difference? In the first example, the agent missed the chance to understand the customer's issue fully and only focused on surface level details. In the second scenario, by asking thoughtful questions, the agent got to the heart of the matter, building rapport with the customer and providing a solution. Mistake number 4, overuse of scripted responses. When you're just starting out, it's so tempting to rely on the scripts they give you. It can feel like a safety net, but honestly, overusing them can make you sound robotic and impersonal. Nobody wants that, not even you. Trust me. it gets boring quickly. People want to feel like they're talking to a real human being, someone who cares about their problem. Instead, think of your script as a starting point. What you really need to do is listen and tailor your responses to the customer's specific needs. You can even try throwing in a little small talk while you're completing the admin task. It makes things less awkward and customers tend to open up. Basically, be yourself, of course within the safety of the brand guidelines. It's about being authentic, empathetic, and solution focused. This is the magic formula for turning a robotic interaction into an enjoyable human one where your customers feel understood. That's how you earn those extra customer satisfaction points. Thank you for calling Flight Support. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I need to change my flight reservation.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please provide your booking reference number so I can assist you with this. Here, the agent sticks rigidly to the script. While that's acceptable at the beginning, it's easy to get trapped in that approach. Let's see how this unfolds.
I don't have that number. I just want to change my flight date.
As I mentioned, I need your booking reference number to help you. Ouch. The agent misses the chance to connect with the customer emotionally and address their frustration. Now, let's rewind and see how a more personalized approach can completely change their interaction.
Hi, I need to change my flight reservation.
Absolutely. I'd love to help you with that. Just so I understand better, what's prompting the change? Great start. The agent invites the customer to share their situation in a friendly way.
I need to change my flight date, but I don't have my booking reference number with me.
No worries at all. That can happen to anyone. Can you give me your name and the date you booked your flight? Notice how the agent uses the script as a guide while also personalizing the conversation.
Sure, it's Julia Marbury, and I booked for March 10th.
Thanks, Julia. 1 second while I look that up. By the way, how's the weather treating you over there? Excellent. The agent adds a touch of small talk, making the interaction feel more engaging while retrieving the reservation.
It's raining today, but I'm looking forward to my trip.
That's great to hear. I hope you get some sunshine when you arrive. Let me check your reservation now. Looks like I found that reservation. You can change your flight to any available options. When would you like to reschedule? Spot on. The agent listens attentively and responds based on what the customer needs.
I'd like to move it to March 15th, please.
Sounds perfect. I'll process that change right away and send you a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Perfect. The agent maintained a friendly tone, showed empathy, and effectively resolved the customer's issue. See the difference? In the first scenario, the agent relied too heavily on the script and missed the chance for authentic engagement. In the second, the agent listened, adopted their approach, and added personal touches to enhance the interaction. Mistake number 5, not knowing your products or services. Okay, this is a big one. Not fully understanding your products, services, or processes can put you in a hard position. And no worries, anyone's mind can go blank at times. It happens to both new and experienced agents. However, it's crucial to keep learning and stay updated. Imagine a customer calls with a question and you're unable to provide an accurate answer, giving them a simple, I don't know, or I'm not sure. This not only frustrates them, but also makes you look unprepared. Customers rely on you to be their expert. When you know your stuff, conversations become effortless. So instead of winging it, take time to familiarize yourself with your company's offerings. Here's a tip. Use any downtime to reinforce what you know. And remember, you are supported. Count on your coach and team to assist you. Thank you for calling StreamNow Support. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to cancel my streaming service.
Okay. I'm not sure how to do that. You might want to check the website or something. The agent is unprepared, leading into an ugly interaction. Let's see how this unfolds.
Is that serious? That's not helpful. I just want to cancel my account because I couldn't do it online. That's what I called.
No, this is frustrating, but maybe you want to try later. It should be working. Or I can put you on hold for a few minutes while I check. Man, the agent's lack of knowledge leaves the customer feeling dissatisfied and unsupported. Let's rewind and see how being knowledgeable can change the conversation.
Hi, I'd like to cancel my streaming service.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. Can I please have your account email address to get started? Notice the difference? The agent confidently engages the customer with clear instructions.
Sure. It's lila.clark@email.com.
Thanks, Leela. I found your account. Before I proceed with the cancellation, is there a specific reason for it? That would help us improve our services. Here, the agent not only acknowledges the request, but also engages in a helpful dialogue.
Yeah, I don't really have the time to watch movies.
That makes total sense. If our website doesn't let you cancel, I'm here to help you through it. Let's proceed with your cancellation now. The agent shows empathy and takes ownership of the situation, making the customer feel supported.
That sounds good. Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. Just to confirm, I am canceling your subscription now. It'll be effective on November 9th, and all payments have been stopped. You'll receive a confirmation email within a few minutes. The agent demonstrates a thorough understanding of the process, making things smooth for the customer. Remember, being well informed not only helps your customers feel valued, but also builds your confidence in your role. So, take that time to learn your products and processes. You've got this. Now, if you want to put this knowledge into practice, Foundever is hiring customer service representatives just like you. Learn more about our job opportunities at jobs.foundever.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, click on the video right here.